In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add clients to their own sub-account in GoHighLevel. By the end, your client will have their own login with the right level of access to manage their location. Before we begin, make sure you're already in the correct sub-account for that client. You'll see the sub-account name near the top of the interface, and the sidebar will reflect that location. All the actions we take now will apply to that specific sub-account. Start by opening the main navigation and clicking on Settings. This is where all the location level configuration lives. Inside Settings, go to My Staff. Even though we're adding a client, GoHighLevel handles access through users in the staff area of each sub-account, so this is the right place. Next, click Add User. A panel will open asking for basic details. Enter the client's first name and last name exactly as they'd like to see it in the platform. This helps with attribution and notifications. In the email field, add the email address they'll use to log in. Double check for typos. This address will receive the invitation and is required to activate the account. If you have a phone number for them, add it as well. This can help with notifications and call routing, and it's useful for verifying who's who in the activity logs. Use the correct country code and formatting to avoid delivery issues. Now, move to roles and permissions. This is where you decide what they can see and do inside their sub-account. For a client who should fully control their own location, select the admin role. Admin gives complete access to all tools in that sub-account, including pipelines, automations, calendars, and billing settings tied to that location. If you prefer to limit access, you can choose a more restricted role or fine-tune permissions later. But for today's goal, giving the client control of their own sub-account, admin is the straightforward choice. When everything looks good, click Save. GoHighLevel will create the user and send an invitation email to the address you entered. Let your client know to check their inbox, as well as spam or promotions, and to complete the invitation to set their password. If they don't receive it, you can resend the invite from the same My Staff area. That's it. You've added your client as a user to their own sub-account with the correct permissions. This simple setup empowers them to log in, manage their assets, and collaborate with you smoothly, all within the right location.